Hi everyone, my name is Cristina. I'm a baker and a blogger from the UK. Now, if you like baking and trying new recipes, this is the place to be. Here we try new things every week, from international cuisine, from gluten-free, sugar-free to healthy but indulgent and full of goodness, cakes and desserts. Now subscribe and let's have some fun together. Don't forget to tap that little bell, that way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope to see you soon. Lots of love.